In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto to a wallet from your Revolut Bank app. Now, what you need to do firstly will be to log into your Revolut Bank app, and once you're on the home page, you scroll to the bottom of the page where you can find crypto. You click on crypto, and once you click on crypto, you will get to this page and you click on send. Go to the search bar and type the crypto that you intend to transfer to a wallet. In this case, we're going to use Bitcoin. Once you find the crypto, in this case Bitcoin, I would click on Bitcoin. Then immediately I do that, I would see select address. Now the next thing I need to do will be to add wallet address. Immediately you click on add wallet address, this page will be open where you can find the currency network pairing, in this case Bitcoin, and the wallet address. Now the next thing I need to do will be to go to my wallet and copy the Bitcoin address. In my wallet address, I would click on receive, then select Bitcoin or whichever cryptocurrency you intend to send to your wallet. Immediately I click on the wallet address is going to be reviewed. Click on copy and return to your Revolut Bank app. In your Revolut Bank app, you would copy the wallet address which you took from your wallet and you include it here. Then afterwards, you click on continue. Once you do that, your wallet address will be added and you can then send your crypto to this address. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.